So well, big up D bun up. D Mwanga bun up.
So today we're cooking chapati and maharagwe. You know the thing already,
chapati
right?
and maharagwe.
You see, Kino can say it, maharagwe.
You have to roll your tongue. Chapati and maharagwe.
Chapati and maharagwe.
So this is with the 7. How much bill for that?
Is that 7 bill for?
No, I said how many bill for with the 7 kids? How many bill for that?
5.
5.
And only 2 mother said it's steady. I'm a big daughter for the she up till now till she graduate now. And the last baby here I have fair for the she.
Okay. So that's 2 out of the 5. So the next 3 are donor. Sperm donor. So we have $7,000 a year for you.
Yeah.
From Miss Wright from the USA. 7,000 from Miss Wright.
Alright. Blessed love, Miss Wright, and happy Christmas season. I do a good thing for me like Christmas, I do the donation. Yeah. I still love it still, you know. And blessed to you for the Christmas still. Have a good New Year's with that still, you know. So blessed thanks same way. They Miss Wright.
Yes, yeah.
And happy New Year's to all the same way.
Yeah, so we give thanks to Miss Wright from the USA. And we'll Shannon, you want to thank Miss Wright for the donation?
Yes, thank you very much and have a Merry Christmas life.
Yay! Okay, so this is the 18th house of the year from Elizabeth. So Elizabeth from Miss Mavis from the UK.
15, 16, 17, 18.
What's going on?
You know what? No, hello, come right here. Do that again. Yeah. Yes, a video man. Yeah. That's more better.
Oh, the light, much light now.
Okay. Simple. Touch the ladies.
Yeah.
That's very good. Ladies, how does it taste?
This magnificent.
Okay.
Sister?
Wonderful.
Sister from Africa?
Laughing.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akin out. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Guys, so we are back in Trenchtown now. Yeah, we're back in Trenchtown while I'm gonna do some errands, you know, chopping out some donation. Trenchtown.
Yeah, backyard in a Trenchtown.
Yeah, rolling through the garrison.
I'm only a history wall.
History.
History for them place. So we look out a history.
History. Rolling through the garrison. Okay, Trenchtown. Oh, Willis. Rasta Jackson.
You from just a forward.
Just a forward. Yeah. I walk over 2nd Street, Shannon father. And then now we're going to head to, what do you call it?
Princess.
No, Waterhouse. At a Tower Hill, we link that girl as well to drop off to a donation. So, we need to want to roll. Alright, go on and come there. Rasta Jackson, wow!
Every time, big up all our family. All the one call, we love them more than Bryce and Peter, Steve, Fish.
all they done, all the extended for me.
Yeah. Just go on and come back.
Extended for me.
Yeah, as Rasta Jack's just rolling in after the work. You know, it goes already. So, as I said, we're going to drop off to donation now, and then we're going to head to Tower Hill to visit Aunt Elizabeth, the mother with the 7 kids. You know, and then we're going to come back.
Tish and Bulla, then I pick them in at school. Tish and Bulla.
Burn them.
Bun. It's a bun.
You see them things enough until we have Bulla and milk.
Yeah, man. One nigga mash for some fruit juice.
Alright. Tish and Bulla. That is it. Well. Dream Team and teams over there. Back in Trenchtown. You know, never forget where we start from and where we're coming from. I will call it. Oh, the dog that. Oh, is that woman one that?
Yeah. I wonder if they keep on tracking man.
Oh.
And I wonder around there.
Where you one there?
They're around there with them.
Oh, okay.
Up and down.
Run here.
I even tell them come down. I feel so with the farm.
Dream in him. So you are one team. Can I bring my uniform them come to? Boom for you. So we're in Bob Marley's yard. Hello, Shannon. High five. High five.
Where's that?
How are you doing?
The backyard.
Is that the backyard?
Yes.
Okay. So how are you doing?
Fine.
Fine. How is the tablet?
It's good.
Yeah, you playing a game on it?
Some game. I don't like today.
Okay, some game. Perfect. Some game. Shanette. All is well? We got to cook. That trim? Right now. Oh, we can see it. Halfway trim. So right now I'm interrupting at the watching you so much. Oh. So I'm interrupting at the trim. So then you cut there. You can make it stay that way, right, Prefect? Yeah? Can you stay that way? One time at them style I used to wear. Yeah.
Look at boy, 90s, 80s style.
Yeah. Come here and donation for you know, so. Yeah. Shannon. Oh, see, you can go around the back of the yard for you get trim. Shannon can come around there.
Shannon can walk around there?
Walk to the gate. Alright. Come, Shannon.
Come, Shannon. Where's the ball?
Hold on. It's I was just going to look for the barber who was trimming our Posey. Posey, me I wonder which barber I give the man the haircut and then said finish already. Original barber Posey himself.
From Techman, I learned Techman.
Last time I catch you at Culture Yard, you forgot?
Yeah.
So now I catch you live in direct now and give a big haircut cause see them style that we have now back in the days. That's the style I used to wear though.
Skull fade.
They call it?
Skull fade.
Skull fade. Yeah. Just like bam, see don't need nothing more man, that's it.
No. Come jumps.
What else more need?
Yeah man.
Shannon, you like the hairstyle of that guy? No.
No.
So she know what's going on, right? You don't like it?
No.
So what you want to get done?
Looks silly.
Look silly? Oh, you sure? Look good again, look. You don't like it? No.
Trimmed off a part.
Okay, so you need to trim all of it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so Shanette know what's going on then. You know, she know what's going on, right? She's got taste. Well, I always like, yeah, it's so cool. No sun not coming here. No sun. All them style still are going. Look at this, people. You remember this? Eh? Look at this. We got the bulb inside the bottle.
That's a lantern.
It's a lantern, right? Yeah, and pull it up. Hey. Them time old school thing that you know, right?
Old school, yeah, old school thing.
Yeah, oh, keep it from the rain.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can't wait, wet it, but gone.
But gone.
Yeah.
You see the classic.
Yeah.
When I
Storm
read-
a blow and this a blow.
Yeah. Classic. So tell me something about that yard there. Bob Marley yard is too, though.
No, over this one.
Yeah, over that side, right?
Bob Marley, Bonnie Wheeler's, Daddy son, Bonnie Wheeler's father, not Booker, Bonnie Wheeler's mother, you know what it's up.
Yeah, that's over the next house.
Yeah.
Yeah, so in the same yard, but on the next block
Different
there.
this and that.
Yeah.
That same yard, but two different numbers.
Yeah, 2 different numbers.
Yeah.
The house where was showing over there. 3 different numbers in the yard. Hey, the yard is a classic yard.
People realize this is first yard in Bob Marley's country living.
You?
In Bob Marley leave country's first yard.
Okay. Oh, when Bob Marley leave country, this was the first yard.
Yeah.
Yeah. The
Grandmother was here.
Yeah. Because most people might think say it's First Street.
Yeah. No, the news in First Street.
Yeah.
News in
Oh, the music is First
First
Street.
Street.
But this year,
That's an Asia.
yeah, over the house. Okay. So,
People realize that Bonnie was sister with a Bob Marley sister. You know.
I thought Bonnie Whaler.
They have a sister, Livingston, with
Yeah.
a Bob Marley sister too.
Okay.
Bonnie was father with this Booker.
Okay.
She named Pearl Livingston.
Pearl Livingston.
Yeah.
See there. So history.
Done.
So when Bob Marley was a youth, where were you them time?
Well, I Trenton was.
You were here, right?
Yeah, no, not here, but the past where so.
You go and come.
Go and come. God,
So
Bonnie, go and come. There was no bounty intention.
No bounty.
No PNP and no labor at them time.
Yeah, it was free
The
flow.
free flow.
1972 them things come.
Yeah. Oh, that's the time when them come.
You come the politics thing.
Yeah.
Before 1972, the free flow.
Oh, so politics started in 1972.
The war started in 1972.
Okay.
The
So-
socialists and
When it took off for 77.
77.
77.
yeah.
So imagine, it's not really far, you know.
Most of the people live up Mexico.
Yeah.
Then I see them come from.
But hold on.
Okay.
Most of the people build jungle and a whole.
Yeah.
come
Them
from there.
close, the most of them close.
Yeah.
Oh, so most of the people them that in jungle is from down here.
Yeah. And them build jungle.
The same people who work as well.
Eh?
Yeah.
Say first, me I know this history, you know.
Yeah.
A history class, me in right now. Yeah.
Them time they have armed out burn ground.
Mm-hmm.
Them time used to have a big church on when the Hopeland one is
Over Rima side?
Yeah.
Okay.
big. Catholic church. The biggest church in Kingston.
And you have the Marcus Garvey church or Pittsburgh Road there. Was the basic school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's free flow.
Free floor.
The only time I can do a galaxy and chuck him on, but the shooting thing will go on.
Never used no shooting them time.
No.
I know 77, it's not far away, you know, so it's never too late for change, you know, if we can stop.
Well, the thing changed right now. My fight was turf right now.
Yeah.
16 of that.
Yeah, just turf war.
Turf war.
The youths them right now.
But second time I turf and church them I turf. I fight the church and second. So what me don't know.
So after the politics done now, then the youth say
It's
me
a
just
turf
done with the
war.
turf thing now.
Yeah,
So
turf war, yeah.
once that done, the place is
It can done, you know.
can.
It can done. What's it?
I got done. I
No.
know what cause this thing,
Mm-hmm.
hurt my family. I mean, I hurt you.
Yeah.
Revenge.
Yeah, revenge.
That's a go on right.
That's a going
Yeah.
right now.
Look here,
Revenge.
fire,
yeah.
look here, hide the eye. They couldn't have ball for me see how much me
Yeah.
telephone and tea. They are come here.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
a go on. Most of them are dead, you know.
It's revenge.
Revenge killing, you know.
Yeah,
Because
true,
we do
true,
things from way
true.
back when.
Yeah.
We find out, I look a man a pass and see her drinking a bar,
Mm-hmm.
or a shop in a store and call individuals. You know, some sit down with
Yeah.
them to drive on them, you know, some make a drive.
Yeah.
Say, go man.
Dead.
Says more or less revenge right now.
Revenge. But they must say something. The only thing last year was salvation.
Yeah, it's
Nah,
only,
well, they go.
yeah.
See, and so we know the revenge thing.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, look on Bowser.
The baller.
Baller. A gunman kill him father.
Yeah.
Them take out the gun to go football.
Yeah, instead of that.
And but after they go driving. I would teach the youth then. I would tell them, oh, I want to kill the father.
No, when that's one time in a world for company.
Mm-hmm.
No, I mean I say,
Company
the
change still, you know.
way I try to say,
Sure.
Watch
Bowser
cool
could
and
have gun. Don't
Yeah.
take the gun. Go football.
It's always the friends that we are trying to
youth-
prove to.
There are more to it. In fact, you take out other things. But my son are dead already, you know.
Mm-hmm.
It can't done, but you see me now. No, it can't done. I'm just saying it can't done. You see most of the woman them. Most of
That's
the woman
another
them.
topic too. The game man them. The 90s.
The man them enjoyed. It's going along.
90s
Yeah.
and 2000.
I'm kill the father. You're my friend.
Yeah, the influence it.
Influence the picnic.
Between the 90s.
You see woman? Woman have influence the picnic, you know.
When I go to youth them,
Woman have
they can't hear
influence
the
the picnic.
district.
What you say?
They might bring down the own picnic with them up.
I heard that after that.
Hey, boo, chow.
In the mind,
Then you can't be youth here.
find out.
Yeah, bring them in marriage.
Man, there's some in the mind.
True.
The going that intent that's why no good. Woman would influence one. Woman can't change this. So woman want them to run bad man to defense. Defense side.
That's a go on right now.
Some people want a bad man to my gun. It can't done.
Mm-hmm.
Woman can't done this, trust me. Oppose it out.
I'm say-
Woman can't done this. Woman can't done this.
People that's all picnic boy have to come defend them.
Yeah.
That woman have to defend them.
Oh, so the woman must give birth just for the kids them to come and defend them.
Yeah, the worst wife.
When them grow up and them call it, say them age 13, 14, they can't talk to you.
Yeah, one can't done this one.
So, the
Uno
fight, so they
can't
give them
done
fuck, you know, them, the
Woman.
mother and the sister.
Woman and a woman.
Fuck you.
Let's say
them,
give
Yeah.
you woman and a
so
woman
them
can't
come
done
back and defend them. Because they know
Yeah,
nobody
woman.
this them, you see?
Yeah, I
Your kid,
understand.
your kid and I eat
And them
one.
till them study, I say, you know.
Woman can't done this one.
Yeah.
Woman can't done it.
Yeah, man, them till them study
Sure.
straight away.
Woman
Yeah,
can't
it's
done
So I
it.
true.
say, right now, we try to straight up people.
Mm-hmm.
We never want to do the youth. You know the reason why? We never want to see it at the wrong.
Yeah.
But every time say I rang him a day, you tell them people and the back of them come and say, come string our stone and all them things.
Yeah.
Alright,
You know what I mean?
when you go,
True.
when you go to our say, go in your yard.
I'm going, man.
You're going.
Yeah.
Yo,
When I go, go. Post the money. I post the money and get you. Woman that.
I'm going to tell you, say, in the same thing.
Different.
Them kind of why I hate it. You couldn't even trust body with them China in front
You're
of you.
mad.
Box you up. You
Yeah,
can't
not
tell
even
them.
when time me young, I couldn't do that. You know,
Yeah.
I could have see big people and want to swear word
Yeah.
or them thing.
And
No.
certain way, you can't just certain way.
Can't dress certain way without
can't tell if
that.
go.
Yes.
See?
And you can't complain now.
No, because if you go and we come here, you get beat.
You get beaten on
Go
top
and
of
pick it
it.
back.
Nowadays,
Vamp mad.
mother them a cuss for
The
them.
man know, the man come them match them.
I said, you want to come with all them Soviet school, I attend to time Soviet.
Mm.
You got to tell the mother, say to him,
Time shoes.
you must say nothing to you already.
And your father?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, your father.
Yeah.
They put them great influence on them brain.
True.
For instance, Mr. Toyota, I drive across the road on here.
Mm.
But I started, so me, you know, my dad and sister, I try to come across.
Mm-hmm.
I bet them come across him.
Mm-hmm.
When them come and tell their mother, say, me, I be a custom to leave my pit now alone, care for them down all the time. No, you see me? You don't show the youth them nothing at all.
Yeah,
And
true.
influence that.
Yeah.
True.
Judge.
You don't show them nothing like them.
Alright,
Love
well,
or nothing at all.
Yeah, yeah.
Them vamps agree. when me are youth, my mother and gangster queen.
How I get beaten for you?
You know me, I forgot one, sir.
They're big people, so you're not supposed
Big
to
people think you get boxed up.
Almost
Them
dead
are
up
youth
now.
now, back them. Gonna come, after come, the whole family are come here. To your dad.
People still are back.
Cheers.
Just what?
Kenneth. Respect. How you doing?
Fine.
Everything is okay, right?
Yes.
Alright, Father for the year. Have a donation here for you, for Kenneth. And the Father for the year, come sit down back in your trimming chair now, man. Yeah.
Respect and manners.
Yeah, man.
So me I want to trim right now and
Mm-hmm.
you know, come give me a link, you know. Blessed to the donor where
Yeah.
I deal with it still, you know.
Yeah, so we have
Yeah,
Shannon
man.
here, intelligent one, you know.
Yep.
Trenchon new. What are you going to become when you're older?
Oh, doctor.
Doctor. See, I could have tell. So she's going to be Trenchtown next doctor. You know, because we have doctor, you know, but I don't, there's none recently.
Yeah.
It was way back.
So them leave.
Them leave.
Them
So-
leave. Them can't take the shit right man.
Yeah. And we know we have Shannon who's going to be the next doctor in the future. So, we have $7,000 a year for you.
Yeah.
From Miss Wright, from the USA. 7,000 from Miss Wright.
Alright. Blessed love, Miss Right, and happy Christmas season. Why, I do a good thing for me like Christmas, although the donation, you know. I still love it still, you know. And blessed to you for the Christmas still. Have a good New Year's with you still, you know. So blessed thanks same way. Miss Right,
Yes, sir.
and happy New Year's to all this. Same way.
Yeah, so we give thanks to Miss Wright from the USA. And we have Shannon, I want to thank Miss Wright for the donation.
Yes, thank you very much and have a Merry Christmas life.
Yeah. So, yeah, she's very intelligent, man. Very, very. So, how is your tablet? How is everything?
It's okay. And it says good morning to me.
Is it?
Yes.
So, you set it up so you can say good morning.
Oh. Sometimes I usually talk to myself.
Yeah. So, you don't have to talk to yourself anymore, right? You got the tablet to play. What about Tom? You still play with Tom?
Who is Tom?
What's the name of Lily? No, what's the name of your pet cat?
Socks.
Sax.
Yeah, she don't really like strangers.
Oh, she don't like strangers. I don't blame her. Cause you cannot trust all strangers, right?
Yep.
That is
Some
right.
maybe be dangerous.
Exactly. So your cat is very smart like you then.
But sometimes he run away from me.
Is that Sax there?
Yep. He's looking for something to eat.
Sax?
He
Say
don't like to answer people.
Huh?
He doesn't like to answer people.
He doesn't like that. Sax, shh, come here, Sax. Mackerel. Okay then, you're Shannon. High five. Take care, okay?
Yep.
Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Alright then. Father for the year.
Blessed love and lucky, you know. Respect for you still. Yeah, my
Yeah,
brother.
man. Good,
Love
man.
it for that still. Yeah, my general.
Yeah, man. Good, man. We give
Bless
thanks every
him.
time, man. Every time.
Yeah.
Oh, say.
Yeah.
Barber for the year, too.
Look, bless up then.
Yes. The year style, eh?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me check you.
It's a long time Posey actually, you know. Posey even cut my ear as well too when I was a little boy. And the man and he's still cutting ear same way when I'm a bigger boy. Same way. So Shannon here looks so nice with the gardens and everything. Yeah man, blessed love. Uncle, Papi. Oh yeah, relax. Yeah, relax. So in a clear up. So I go and Jackson, what else? I was okay, I was outside. Yeah. In a clear up, man. Bro, clear up. Oh. Evening, Elizabeth. Well, I wash. What a whole heap of washing I go on with do. What a whole heap of washing. Them police when mommy talk. Yeah. Come see them do some work outside this one. So is everything otherwise?
It's been okay now.
Can't complain. Some more rubbish. Oh, your daddy? Okay.
So him do film thing earlier man time, but should them be spread out the cement this morning out the sand and the gravel.
Yeah.
You see the long something yeah, so my father couldn't get for parking car, time car to move earlier man time go dash right.
Okay.
Go dash with them.
So that's this left for us go and clear up.
Like work when him body I just work with him feeling. Respect him judgment.
Yeah man, so well at least people work are going, you know. So we have 2 donations here for help out with the situation as well too. Yeah, we have 2 donations. Come on, listen.
I'm careful in the moment. Yeah.
We have 2 donations here for you as well. So the first you see Rasta Jack?
Yeah, first I see.
Because I'm always the outside, you know.
My part of your team.
Yeah. I'm always stand up outside. Yeah, that's why.
Oh, I'm always I'm always we had a friend. I'm the first me see him too.
And him, I'm always the outside.
It was him.
See, I see him coming here already.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember, man. What going? I lose memory now.
Yes. You see me?
You're losing memory.
Me I get old age I reach me.
Losing memory
Old age I
already.
reach me. I didn't think they reach me old age, you know?
Yeah. So you're just coming off the work.
Yeah.
So you see, you're going back to work tonight?
Probably not.
Overtime. Wow. Yeah, might as well just on the bread, right?
Yeah, cause the pain really so.
Pain is scandalous.
Sometimes there's pay bills buy and bus fares, but so look overtime make you have a little food for your table.
Okay. Yeah, because the overtime you have to do for
If you don't
those.
want to do it, you have to do it because the thing's sticky.
You have to pay for your lunch for the week and plus your travel fare for the week and then plus the 7 kids them for go school.
They have to have something to eat and all that.
So tell me something. Now the daddy not try to help out that situation, no?
Then again, you should really ask a question. 99% of men nowadays, what you see them do? Call it said most. You all find fathers stand side of mothers nowadays.
That's true.
It's always mother alone.
So with the 7, how much baby father?
Out of all of is that 7 baby father?
No, I said how many baby father with the 7 kids? How many baby father?
5.
5.
And only 2 mother said it's steady. Because my big daughter father help she up till now till she graduate now. And the last baby here my father help she.
Okay. So that's 2 out of the 5. So the next 3 are donor. Sperm donor.
Well, my first son, his father died, so.
Okay. So there's 2 left then.
His father died when he was 2 years old.
Okay.
I could have said, excuse me, Kayla. Yeah, she want help from the video. Yeah, so when my two film father pass off.
Well, them can do better, them should do better, you know. Yeah, like them see the struggle is really real.
So,
You know, for you alone.
it's sticky, bad.
Sticky. So let me show the new viewer them. Cause you know we always get new viewer every day. You know, and them always let's go inside, we show them from inside. So for all the new viewers, this is Elizabeth, you know, single mother with 7 kids. And this is her plight, this is her situation, you know, so not to always highlight each and every one of them when they come. You can see the reason why we're trying to give her some support. So this is Elizabeth's situation, how she living. She live here with 6 of the kids then, right? 6. So she got 7 kids, but only 6 is here with her. So this is her bathroom, you know, her living bathroom she use, and from in here, you know, you can see outside from inside, you know, which is very stressing. You know, the light, turn on your light. Oh, that one to the kitchen light. Not working? So I forgot hook up. A made shift. Okay. So alright, so the light is not connected. As yet. Oh, so this is the wire. Okay. So it's not yeah, so that's her kitchen light, it's not connected. So you got the roofing, she got leaks. Yeah, she had to hold it up with the machete, you know, to be holding up her ceiling, which is the solid text that they use for the roofing from the zinc with the sun, you know. So as you can see, rain kind of fall, and you can see there's hole in the old stop, so there's multiple of those on our rooftop. So
when the rain fall, water coming heavier, so set the bath.
So that's her situation now, where you see she's having a leak and the whole place. So you can see she have bunk bed right here, 2 bunk bed and a single bed, and she have one of the, is that your last son, right? The last child. So that's the last, the wash belly. No more.
The baby.
Oh, the baby, sorry.
The second to wash belly.
My second to wash belly.
It was the wash belly, but he turned him, he moved from wash belly spot. So he still go wash belly, you know.
Yeah. So that's it, no more.
No.
You sign off.
Yeah.
Sign off, signature, everything is clear off. So she said, no more from the 7.
Even though, you know, through your young, and most time when I go down at Jubilee, them I tell you, say, you know, I don't know why them have a bleeding on this thing about marriage. It's not everybody I go married. And I tell you, say, you know, married it, so them can't put up on type. So me take the 10 year. Yeah, so me take the 10 year. So then you want to put on the tire, so me just take the 10 year.
Okay.
I don't want no children. So as soon as the 10
So how old are you now, Lizzie? If you don't mind, I ask.
For my viewers, I am just 36.
36, you're very, very young. So your first child, what age was that?
I'm 20.
Oh, 20. Okay, so you just start play football after. No, but it's not, man. Life, you know, nothing we have in life is never embarrassing, you know. So it's just how it is, you know, and it's a blessing same way, because, you know, one of them have, you never know who can make your future well bright, you know, because this dad not try to play a part to help out a situation why it seems bad, because if you have a strong baby father who is going to stick around and help, you know, help out your situation, probably it wouldn't even look so bad, because it's only you trying your best, really, you know. Yeah, so it's just one of those situations, which is you need help. So that's why we're trying to get her the help, which is, I can say, house falling apart, you know. So we always ask for support, any donation we can get, you know, to present to her, because as you can see, the need is here. And this program will always try to help someone, no matter how small it is. We try to give her helping hand. So we got donors that donate to her already, you know, because she.
The man the darkness, I choose the light.
So, yeah, so that's how we can't go.
See the darkness.
Because of the light.
We can't much light because it's the pay as to go.
Oh, so you did pay as you go.
Yeah, and I'm not connected yet. I'm still with me the pan.
Oh, okay.
So that's
so pay as you go.
So So try the place to go, my sister, the parent come up like me make up with her.
Okay, that's what rock. Okay.
So, you know,
so the players.
Everything that's so like the fridge
Okay.
and you know, so make the credit one. Credit you have to buy for put on.
Okay, so how much credit? Yeah, like how much you do for the credit? The players ago.
Me, she, and my father the parent. So $5,000. We put 2 in for 2 and she put 2. So the $5,000 will last for 1 week.
1 week?
Maybe if she wanted to on it, maybe that would for like 3 weeks or so. But she have done the 2 week.
Yeah.
So
wow.
For 1 week.
So the pay-as-you-go is more expensive than the regular life.
I wouldn't say that because
you put
maybe
on.
if we never on it, maybe our light would go more like 3 weeks or near to a month.
Okay, for 5,000.
Yeah, it's a private 2 weeks upon it now. So.
Okay, I understand.
I feel like it's more better because at least because it's something show you one red light when it near for done and at least you can get it can put on.
Okay, so you put
because
on.
the other normal JPS light. Sometimes I come to me, see people balling to come to our 12,000, 15,000 out.
Okay. So the pay-as-you-go just put on what you can afford to put on. So you got no
money. Near for done, you see show you like a blink light and so forth.
Oh, so when it's finished, if you don't have any money, does it give you like an emergency light?
Yeah, red light to show you say when it show you the red, that means it's soon done.
Okay.
So you can get for the top off.
So when it's finished, does them give you an emergency for temporary? Or just like, when it's done? Yeah. I see in England. In England, you got same thing when you buy a light, but you get a key. So yeah, so when you put on your light now, if it's finished, it have an emergency on it, like a reserve. If I put on £10, I always give you a reserve of probably £3 or something. So when you finish now, you just punch back your emergency. So I guess I need to do that. So come, I got 2 donuts. Yeah, so here we got Pablo, you know, they paid a truckman to get rid of all the stuff and everything, you know, and most of the stuff here was a shelter with a lot of stuff, but all that is taken down already. So only these bips and bops left to clear out, you know. So once it's clear out now, then she can see her away. So for the time being, she's trying to get some material. If anyone want to help her out with getting material, buy blocks or cement or steel, you know, we give thanks and I can reach out and help her out. So Elizabeth, so I've got something to help out with your material where you can buy some blocks. So I know this can buy blocks. So them say for you to buy blocks, you know, anything. So we have $18,000 here for you, you know, from Miss Mavis from the UK.
Hi, Miss Mavis. Thank you very much. Continue to support, and I hope God continue to bless you so that you can live out of food for your own family, your family and elsewhere.
Okay, so this is the 18,000 here from Elizabeth. So Elizabeth from Miss Mavis from the UK.
15, 16, 17, 18.
So that's
thank you, I receive it.
Yeah, so that now, as you say, you can start buy some blocks and you can store them up. So that means, yeah. So at least the next time now when I come now, them can see how you start to buy material, right? And you have 14,000 as well from Mumsy from the USA to help buy your material. So you have Mumsy from USA.
Alright, hi Miss Mumsy. Thank you very much. Hope I continue to bless you so that you can continue to support. Thank you very much.
Okay, so county, this is 14,000. So that can buy you some cement.
10, 12, 14. Thank you. Receive.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. So and all other supporters, thank you very much. Hope you continue to support as you can see where your money is spent and it's well needed and well used. Yes. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Okay, because she already have some zincs already where the donors them purchase some zincs, which is it's already on a rooftop because there wasn't no space for her to put it inside of the yard. So
and I Pablo pick up.
Yes, so she already got some zincs already, you know, for the roofing. So that zinc is out the way, you know, so she will need like boards like 2 before and them thing, right? So with that now, as I say, you can buy some blocks, I know, a couple bag of cement. So when I come back next time, I know them see that that's where it's going, right? So Elizabeth has gone and do the right thing, you know, and we give thanks to all our extended family. We thank you so much for helping out Elizabeth, mother with 7. So if anyone want to reach out, as they can see situation, so this is where she's gonna build out from there, you know, because as you can see the place is rotten down and everything. So she's gonna add on, you know, so she need blocks and she gonna need some cements and steel. So if anyone, I could have $1, $2, you know, just contact me. One cocoa full basket like my grandmother would say.
So all the viewers, please support because I need help, because as you can see I want to add on so that my other kids can have a little space because they're getting big. So I need the help and the support. So reach out and help. Thank you.
So we give thanks, guys. Dream Team, one team. Thank you so much, you know, for reaching out. Because the help is needed. So anywhere the help is needed, you know, please, let everyone put hands and heart together and try to help out that situation. You know, because it could have been you in this situation and I'm around here painting the video. It could have been me in a situation like this. And I always definitely would need the help. So thank you so much, you know, for reaching out so far. Pablo, big up yourself and all the rest of the extended family. Thank you so much.
Big up.
Alright then, Elizabeth, so me here with Mother Teresa.
I am my extended family. Great job. You do for me, so I'm glad you're doing for someone else and more.
Yes.
And more. God bless you.
We have Rasta Jackson here as well too.
Every time, more love every time.
Yeah.
Love all the extended family.
Yeah. And we have Rasta Messi, boom over there.
Alright. Pablo. Love, one love.
Alright then, blessed. So we give thanks, guys. So remember to put a thumbs up when you're watching, you know, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Dream Team, one team. The jelly. How much for the jelly?
We have 100, 2 and 3.
I don't want to see the 100. The 100 will probably look too small. I guess this is the 100.
This is 100?
This is for you.
No,
a baby jelly.
Big mama. I'm as big as this. Big mama.
So do you want a big mama's jelly?
Yeah.
Can you manage? This jelly is pregnant.
Of course. Yeah, that's all I need.
Big mama. Hey, big mama jelly, right? Take it up then. Can you manage? Big mama. Pull to your belly like this.
Big mama.
Not even bigger than your belly, D. That's like a big baby in your belly right now.
Of course.
I dare you to drink that up right now.
One for me, one for Esther. I think this. Oh, even carrying it in the car is such a
heavy, right?
hectic.
You know how cut it?
Huh?
Yeah. Cut it but not too boring. Can you do it right, mommy?
Yeah, try.
You try?
Super mama.
Super mama. Hey, watch mama do it now.
$300 for
$300. Where said this super mama? No, damage yourself.
Yeah, but no, why you?
That is it, mama.
And the boss.
Trench down neck.
Oh, we are going with Steven. You want to go finish it now?
No, how much did you from?
Yes, 250. 200.
200 a pound?
200 a dozen.
A dozen, sorry, my bad. 200 pound?
Here is it. Jesus Christ, what do you watch? You know, King Street, I get people with food, but can't remember the name.
Kino.
Yeah. Kino, man. Yeah, man.
For the people.
Of course, yes.
That's the thing, man.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Have a straw?
No, no straw.
No, you drink it that way and don't say that Jamaican.
Give me another one.
Drink it that way.
You're that Jamaican.
Yeah, you need one, mama?
Yeah, man. And we're going to drink it. I'm going to part them take a picture. So you know they will straw. Yeah. Alright. Jamaican style. Like how the jelly just come off on the tree. I'm going to talk tonight for you.
Yeah, go on then.
Yeah. And the jelly come off on the tree. We just drink it same way. Very nice. Yeah, fresh and nice. Very bossy. We are a Jamaican. Yeah, we are Bob Marley family. Bob Marley family.
Yes.
A lot of water. A lot of water in them movie. Yeah, what? Very nice. And then we have to do it in a fire.
Get one too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah? Long time.
Yeah, I see everything we had up at church. So.
Okay, big up, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Man.
There, man. All is well?
Yeah, man.
Hey.
Big up yourself.
Cool now. Big up. I'm meeting our subscribers down here, you know, so we thank you so much for watching, you know, because whenever we're here in town, we always meet our subscribers, or anywhere on the street, matter of fact. So we thank you so much, you know, for your listening, you know, and thank you guys for watching, you know. Remember, when you're watching, put the thumbs up. We really appreciate it, and we thank you so much every time. Nothing but love. What you say? So I know you take up your bed here. Your bed is still up, still down.
Market slow.
Slow today? So, you know, cool at night?
No?
Hey. The bed look comfortable.
Suppose so. Anyway, you don't get comfortable.
I like the hustle to know, so you come out, you know, and you prepare to stay out and do your hustle. So how long have you been doing this?
About 35 years.
35 years?
Right here, so we stay and send me out at university. So now I'm money teachers college.
Yeah.
And then she couldn't get no job, then she started work call center. Then she work at call center for about 2 years, but she's teaching at Ruffy's I know.
Okay. So, and you work here 35 years?
Yeah.
And send her to university?
And send the 2 boys.
The 2 boys then?
Art.
Art. Wow.
So the one my go art, one live in Canada now, one is own company, and the youngest one a change the police now, down by St. Elizabeth.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like the ambition, you know?
Yeah, you have to fight for what you need.
So do you farm these stuff?
Cabbage.
Or you farm the cabbage?
Yeah. Let me see if I can show you part of the farming.
So today's a slow day. You have days when it's okay and you have days when it's slow.
Like Monday, I have a faster day Monday.
And Monday?
Monday, Thursday and Saturday.
Okay, for these days kind of slow.
See if you can go up on the phone for me and find what is your name? Food to the youth.
Your name?
Food to the youth in a
where is it? Clarendon?
Same time, we were boundless. Yeah. We work over.
Oh, see here. And this is your son?
I'm a young man, I'm a son-in-law. He talk to
That's your son-in-law?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a YouTube channel. Yeah. I was in St. Ann, you know.
We're in St. Ann.
Was at Salem, was about in St. Ann, I was down the road at Ouchie, you know Salem?
Oh, yeah, me have one sister live on Mount Beach.
So I am _ fruits for the youths.
He was a teacher, you know?
He was a teacher.
Yeah, but now going in the classroom now, so come out.
And start farming?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm from a market. He was here last week.
Last week. So he missed us this week.
Yeah.
But at least we'll give them a promotion for them channel, Fruits for the Youths.
Yes, it's them I'm going to shout out.
So they can go and check it out. I am Fruits for the Roots, for the Youths, you know. As a farmer and your son-in-law, so you're there with your daughter, right?
Married to her.
Married, okay. So to find the right one, a farmer. He's not sitting about. Because farming ain't easy.
Yeah.
So once you can find a farmer that is good.
I'm going to see if I get him still. Find say you want to talk to big man.
Yeah.
Oh,
That is nice. And you make sure you bring your bed so you can stay over. So
you man, so when you come back, you want to talk to me. I say me get to you.
Some pepper?
You got pepper?
Pepper? Hot pepper? That's it. Let me see.
You want hot pepper, right?
No, we don't eat it.
Hot pepper there.
Right here, some of them you. Too much years now.
So when you come Kingston, like to the market, like how many days you stay here for?
Depends.
Oh, depends.
Sometimes from Sunday night till Wednesday or Thursday. Friday too.
Friday.
Depends on the market run.
Okay, okay.
Sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's slow. But I don't know my job, so me have to.
Yeah. All the way sometimes. Don't give up the fight, yeah, mommy?
Can't do that, man.
Don't give it up. Never.
That's how we see our work.
So all the way from St. Anne. So you never get your name, my apology. Give me a name.
Oh, Angela Anderson.
Angela. So pick up yourself, Angela.
The husband will call back, but they get the call. Okay. Yeah, man.
So Angela never stop the fight, you know?
Tell him to run with me.
Restaurant come in and any man shirt $500, man shirt at $500. Seal up on the man shirt, them in the air no matter, $500 man shirt.
Push her man, yeah man, get the push. Alright. Sit. Wait. Look right there, brother.
It feels so good.
Wait. Man. What's up there? Hold on, them.
Anything at 2 and 3, yes, sir. Anything at 200,
Yeah.
Blows at 2 and 3, tights at 2 and 3. Anything at 200, 300.
Colors.
Yes. You see what I love you and Mwanga, cause I saw you guys downtown yesterday.
Yeah.
Well, even to my extended family, you know, whenever time visitor is here, Colors always making point of duty to get them something.
Sure.
So these are for Kino,
Arizona,
and she tell me to get some ripe banana
for D
Mwanga, and there is the jelly coconut.
Jelly here for D as well too.
Yeah, I bought her three
jelly.
And they were in the freezer, so you know they're very cool.
Well
very
chill.
Yeah.
Well chill. I will thank you so much.
Oh, I must kind of love Kino.
Thank you so much.
And Mwanga. You see how much groceries she gave me Sunday though.
And you give him back.
Because I didn't know Kino they was coming today. I saw them downtown yesterday and they said they were coming here. And I said, Kino, I'm gonna get you
Indeed.
Arizona,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna get Moanga or jelly. And she said
jelly.
some ripe banana.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You see, that's why I'm a blessed extended family.
Thank you so much.
You see, oh, I'm blessed, and that's why people love me so much.
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh.
Gratitude. Alright, put it in there like with them cold.
Wow, clean of them well cold.
Well cold. Press the banana them right in there, them well cold too. So, and them over colors. Thank you so much.
That's a key, man. That's why I'm a blessed, Kina.
Yes, sir.
That's why I'm a blessed, Virgin. Because you see me now, extended family, me don't forget kindness.
That's true.
That's why I'm going to always bless. And, you know, over there, you know, I go always send things come give me. And people who watch me on the program, them going to give me things at airport.
Yes, true.
Yeah. But I'm going over a little more now, Kina.
Going over there?
Going over there. Oh, I forgot. Extended family. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Bibi. If it wasn't for Bibi, I got back my phone here.
Yes.
But the person who steal it, they deleted it out all of the numbers them out it. But whatever, I have friends at airport who know about phone, so they're gonna set up at my WhatsApp, Facebook and everything.
Yeah.
So when everything fix up, you guys, I can go on my number. But thank God I get it. If it was for Bibi, oh my Bibi, I want to kiss your foot button. Yeah, Kina, for real. So, extended family, love her.
Yeah.
Bless up.
Alright, so Colin got back his telephone number. It's the same number. Yeah, man. So we're glad him get back his phone, at least. You know. Yeah, man. And we thank him so much for this package. Right here, he's giving back 3 jelly, you know, for D and the banana, and he gave me 2 Arizona. Thank you so much for that. Big up yourself with the egg. This for Esther.
Arizona, but let's buy 2 oranges.
Okay, so you buy 2 back screens for Esther. Alright, we'll drop off them and boom, we're gonna move now, right?
Yeah, man.
That is it. We're ready for the road. What's going on up here?
So many things, chapati and we all. Say hello.
Tina's here.
You burnt up yesterday. People saw how you burnt up the lobster. So today?
Well, everyone know that's D. She's the one been cooking. So she have a thing she like to tell a lie.
It wasn't burnt, it was overcooked.
No man, she burn it up.
Burn up
it was burn up.
The lobster?
Yeah, you never see?
So the lobster who burnt it out. The
yeah man, she burn. So well, big up D burn up. Yeah, D Mwango burn up.
So, right, you know, today we're cooking chapati and maharagwe. You know the thing already,
chapati
right?
and maharagwe.
You see, Kino can say it, maharagwe.
You have to roll your tongue. Chapati and maharagwe.
Chapati and maharagwe.
So this is it, chapati here.
Yeah, so I used hot water, so I'm giving it a bit of time because it's still too hot. Yeah. Then
so we have the fire, our coals to a pot boil and everything. So the colors just give us something here for you as well too, and for Esther. So colors give us, this is 2 orange juice for Esther here.
Wow.
From colors.
Thank you, colors, you're the best.
And come show it there, Esther, show it there. That's 2 orange juice for Esther. And we have half dozen ripe banana here for the
Bono
Mwango. And we have 2 Arizona here for Kino from colors. And we have 3 frozen jelly.
For those who don't know, colors is the one that we went to visit yesterday.
And we have 3 coconut jelly in here for D. They're well frozen. It was in the freezer.
So much.
So everything is cold, so you can do that.
Thank you, colors. God bless.
So we give thanks. So
I burn up my hand.
Burn up.
Burn up.
Everything burn up.
Answer burn up. Kino, lift up that. Wow.
The pot.
Yeah, let's see all of this.
So I'm just keep
Kino,
guys.
show Esther how she should hold the camera. Show her.
But Esther know how to hold camera.
My face has to be on the camera.
Yeah, all the time.
But you want the...
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes go on your face and go on
Yeah. Yeah, that's...
something is burning.
Same like how you learn now. I see me I do it. You know it goes. Okay, so this is the beans, right?
Yeah, the beans are
Wow.
cooking. Oh wow, they're boiling.
Boiling.
You not burn up this today?
No, it's a boil up.
Not burning up.
It's boiling up. Yeah. Can see my dog natural. Everything boom. I'm kind of leave it half open.
Guys, the next thing is go in with my hand and make sure everything mixes so. I burn up again.
What's going on? Why is
It's hot. Yeah.
Where you use hot water?
Yeah, hot water.
Yeah, very
Why?
hot. Make it soft. Make it
Oh, make it
soft.
soft.
So I'm cooking my favorite Kenyan dish that we used to wait for the whole year to cook.
Okay.
So I can't imagine.
So guys, I'll be back, right?
All
See you guys in a minute. Esther, just please.
To eat that.
No
burn up.
Yes, please. No burn up lobster, nothing at all. So we have coconut, we have avocado, we have banana. You take one before she burn it up. Take one.
Alright guys,
And
I also want to
everything.
use some cooking oil because I really want to get the best today.
Esther, so we can put them on the fridge when time to cut.
I'm resting on the coconut.
Yeah.
I want to use this. I need to open it up.
Natural always at the work.
Yeah.
See there? You as natural always working 24/7.
Always grinding.
Grinding slow but grinding still.
Grinding slow but grinding still.
Working slow but working still.
Yeah, man.
Really. As I said, natural as a man, he's been piled up with work because he was putting in so much work, and the dream team said the time was kind of skeptic on him. So now he's kind of putting in some work, try to clear off the people them that he backed up on work duties. So that is the reason why you haven't seen the work being going on, because as I said, natural is a man really busy. So he's trying to get, I know it's Christmas season, so he's gonna try and find a time or a day or two when he can go and put in some work at Scanners as well too, as soon as him kind of clear up as much work what he's doing right here. So just stay tuned for everything. So I know I'm gonna head into Tower Hill, you know, to give off a donation to Elizabeth, the mother with the 7 kids, you know, to help out with our situation. So guys, so stay tuned. Remember, please give the video a thumbs up, give the video a like every time. Dream team, one team, you know it goes already. Burn up! Chapati.
Chapati, guys. Yeah. Okay, Esther, you'll help me flip. Let me keep rolling. Because now
Oh, so much water up here. We should have boiling water.
yeah, burn up your wood.
For outer. D, how's it going? How is it going, D?
Nothing burn up.
Nothing burn up. Yet?
What do you mean yet?
I'm just asking.
So far, nothing burn up.
We can look in at the pot.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I go on.
All the sweet aroma that you have left.
Oh, still a boil. Wow.
Help me peel the sweet.
Whoa. Come help peel the sweet potato. Wow. No, the Irish mean. Big cooking are going up here. See Jackson?
Yeah, that's right.
That is right.
That is right,
You're going to eat chapati?
Yes.
And beans?
Yeah.
And avocado? You know it is, right, boom? Which one? This one? Jackson, them say, man, the chair mash up. Natural say, man, the chair mash up.
Yeah, man, come on, get up,
Sit down, man, you're good.
What is the one?
Here.
No, pass. Pass. Because you put that one up.
Set properly?
The cola going there. Oh, so peeling the Irish potato.
Film this for me.
Think that.
So guys, on the other side, because I can't really do everything by myself, they're helping me peel the Irish potatoes.
Yeah. I'm sure for the life.
And also the onions, tomatoes.
Esther in the kitchen making it. Yeah. Go for your floodlight, Esther. Nike slippers, you know how the thing go. Nike slippers behind the camera, you know. Behind, you know, Keen Life in Jamaica representing, you know how the thing go. And we got the peas over here, the beans boiling, and the chapati frying, and the fresh water getting hot. So the big pot there and the over here a roll.
I think it wants I bro.
You know now this is hard to multitask.
Yeah. See thing over there, the flip, the flop.
Not yet.
So how chef a peel the yam.
See it.
Finish peel the eye.
Yeah man, I don't tell you kind of yam, you know.
And the yellow that. Yellow.
Yeah man, white art.
White art yam.
Yeah man, because yam have white art, you know. It just look yellow. Is it?
Oh.
Yeah man,
So
you
that
know.
one which one?
White art yam.
White art.
Yeah man.
Not the
We
yellow.
don't have Usain Bolt place alone, you go get them yam.
Yeah.
Tomatoes, onions, everything.
Then yeah man, scent. You know.
Saint Anne. Saint Anne?
Boy, I remember which part Usain come from.
Well, that one you come from Saint Anne's.
Saint Anne's come from?
Yeah.
Yeah man, that means
I don't
mixed
get
breed.
that's where it's from.
Chilani come from
Chilani.
Yeah man. That's not trying to make
Yeah, boy.
Chilani.
Yeah man. Them yam, Chilani yam, them yam. That's not trying to remember man. Chilani it come from, you know. Can I yam? Lucy.
So look at the view where they is cooking from. The view in Trenchtown where she's cooking from. Look at the view where they is cooking from on the rooftop. So this called rooftop cooking.
Lucy and Chilani
Huh?
Yeah, it's not hot yet.
So these doing the rooftop cooking. Yeah.
My mom will be so proud of me.
Hey, when she see, she can't believe. Is that my daughter?
When I'm at home, I'm the empress. I don't get in the kitchen. I just wait.
No, you're showing her that you're not only an empress. Yeah.
She's looking at us one in Jamaica, guys.
Yeah. So she want a Rasta one.
I already found him.
Oh, you found him? Well, oh, yes, sorry. She finally find the Rasta man. Big. She finally find the Rasta man. The chapati? You have to multitask.
That is hard.
So imagine you're cooking for 20 people.
It's not hot yet. Why?
You cut up the Irish more?
Yeah, cut them. Cut them into four. Yeah, and also pot.
Boy, this is the big Ital shoe.
Ital kitchen.
Hey, I'm telling you.
That's the girl.
So this is what I'm gonna get whenever I go Kenya?
Yeah, definitely.
This
That's
is what
how
I'm
we
going.
do it.
Wow, and my chapati? I done that.
You see? There we go. Ital pot.
Ital is vital.
Ital is vital. Okay, now this chapati, we can't eat this. It's burn up. Take it out, Nadi.
Of course,
Esther,
yeah, Esther will eat that one. Take it out.
No, Esther does it.
Esther burn it up.
Open it for me. Nana, me burn it up.
Esther, they're ready to come out.
Yeah.
Chapati. Like sister call it, is dati.
And Esther call it chapati. What the last one?
So y'all don't call it good cause.
This is the last.
True, I'm good.
Last but not least.
Yeah.
It's peppery. Cook more by night.
Taste it, Esther.
Yes.
Remember these, you in the kitchen. Yeah.
she's making it work,
What do you
right?
want? That is only for wife material.
Wife material in the
That's how it is.
Just to learn to make chapati now.
Me say, I'm gonna get my dough, make me some dough.
Yeah.
So I can do my own jack. Do it for Wendy.
And you last stop said jack patty.
Some patty night.
But looking so good, guys. You see the training. Wow. Esther, you're doing good. Trust me. Look at that. Woo. So this actually is beans with everything inside. Irish potatoes inside and yam.
What kind of trash?
Where's the?
She put the trash inside as well.
Yeah.
All the trash that you have in the white.
There we go. Woo. Look at that.
Me
guys.
greater that. I did that job.
Woo! This looks so good.
Africa as well too.
Wow, look at that,
What about
guys.
Africa?
That's my pot.
Esther, you're going. I forgot she's going Africa as well too. Okay.
Fufu. There we go.
No.
Are these some of this?
Yeah.
Enough soup. This is not enough.
Maybe they can just take it up because made more breeze. The more it get cold.
I already separate.
All right, that is it. That is it.
Okay.
I have one that you have over there. Here you go.
My favorite beans. I was me and kid. This was almost full time.
Them just take them up now because the more breeze go put them get cold.
One time.
So long. In a month of time.
Wait till man heart is still stomach, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so
In a month of time, natural oxygen fit not ready yet.
Yeah. From
natural
before we
plane?
start,
Okay.
from before we start, natural oxygen.
Yeah. Natural.
There you go.
Come here, Nachi.
Come here.
Right, natural is true.
Yes.
They call it stew now. They call it
Dimwango stew.
Dimwango stew.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it out, my brother.
This
With
is
the
called
chapati.
maharagwe.
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 No, we can't find it. I'll try this stew. Let's try this stew. Let's try it out.
Welcome.
All the way down there, brother. All the way down there.
Yes, brother.
Let's try it. One. How it feel?
Oh, my sister.
My sister.
All right, go on. Let's pray.
For health and strength and daily food, we praise thy name, O Lord. Amen.
Let's feast your eyes.
That is it.
Yeah, call Rasta Jackson. Whoa. Where's the whoa?
We need to carry some.
Jackson. Come in, Jackson.
All the way down to your wit.
Vital is vital all the way to Africa, Jackson. Yeah.
Straight from Kenya. This comes straight from Kenya.
Wow, chef is coming. What's going on?
Me and
You know what? No, hello, come right here. Do that again.
Yeah.
Yes, a video man.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's some more better.
Oh, the light. Much light now.
Okay. Simple. Touch the ladies then.
Yeah.
That's very good. Ladies, how does it taste?
This magnificent.
Okay.
Sister?
Wonderful.
Sister from Africa?
Laughy.
Anything cold that milk can I sell that?
Jackson, you don't need fork, you know, you need a hand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a top to it,
Yeah.
Top to it. You know? Yeah, different.
The words now come out clearly, Jackson.
God, if I move to the memorial.
All right, Indo.
We got Africa.
Indo, you have to test it right here. Tell what's going on, China.
We
man.
got Africa.
When you got Africa, the boy ain't easy, you know.
All right. Now listen, man.
Yeah.
I hereby today declare this dish in Jamaica by it name Dima Wanga dish in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I said name in Jamaica.
All right. That is it.
Jamaica.
That is good.
Damn, D.
Good. Special thanks to my mom for teaching me how to be a woman.
Hey.
That's a girl.
A woman.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.